Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, by now we have completed 2 units of your textbook. Today we are going to start another unit, but before starting the next unit, I would like to inform you about the first fortnightly test that is being conducted on Wednesday, 8th of this month. The syllabus of this fortnightly test is unit number 1 and 2, all work done on notebooks, and Spalding rules 1 to 7. Dear students, before starting the next lesson, I would like to share you these verses from the Holy Quran. قال يا بني إني أرى في المنام أني أذبحك فانظر ماذا ترى قال يا أبت افعل ما تؤمر ستجدني إن شاء الله من الصابرين فلما أسلما وتله للجبين وناديناه أن يا إبراهيم قد صدقت الرؤيا إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين إن هذا لهو البلاء المبين وفديناه بذبح عظيम. जो स्टूडेंट्स, आपको मालूम है कुरान पाक की इन आयात में किस वाक़े की तरफ इशारा किया जा रहा है? यकीनन आप लोग जानते हैं, और अगर आयत के इस सफ़े के आखिर में आप देखें, वफ़दैनाहु बिज़िब्हिन अज़ीम, वफ़दैनाहु बिज़िब्हिन अज़ीम, अज़ीम क़ुरबानी, अज़ीम क़ुरबानी की तरफ हमें राग़िब किया जा रहा है। हमें बताया जा रहा है कि वो क़ुरबानी जो हज़रत इस्माईल अलैहिस्सलाम ने अपने बेटे हज़रत इस्माईल अलैहिस्सलाम की अल्लाह के रास्ते में क़ुरबानी दी, हमें उसकी तरफ इशारा दिया जा रहा है। तो आज हम जो सबक पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, दैट इज़ ईदुल अज़हा। Dear students, as usual, before starting reading the text, we will first drill the keywords. So read after me. The first word is festival, festival, celebration, celebration, rejoice, rejoice, affirmative, affirmative, devotion, devotion, sacrifice, sacrifice, religious, religious, enthusiasm, 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 butcher, butcher, sacrificial, sacrificial. Dear students, now open your books on page 28. This is lesson number 3, Eidul Adha. A festival or a cultural event is a celebration of an occasion to create a sense of brotherhood, selflessness, peace, and sacrifice among the people. A festival, त्यौहार, तकरीब। कोई भी त्यौहार किसी भी ख़ास मौके के पर लोगों के दरमियान ब्रदरहुड, भाईचारा, सेल्फलेसनेस, बेगर्दी जिसमें खुदगर्दी शामिल ना हो, पीस एंड सेक्रीफाइस, अमन और क़ुरबानी, लोगों के दरमियान अमन और क़ुरबानी की याद ताज़ा करता है। The celebrations allow the people to rejoice themselves by living the daily routines which have made their lives dull and boring. ये तकरीबात लोगों को डेली रूटीन की कोई भी तकरीबात लोगों को रोज़ाना के बदमज़ा और उकता देने वाले काम काज से हटाकर उन्हें मसरत और शादमानी के मौक़े फ़राहम करती हैं। Different nations of the world have different festivals and cultural events to celebrate. Muslims of the world have two festivals which are celebrated with great religious devotion. One is known as Eid al-Fitr, while the other is known as Eid al-Adha. Devotion, loyalty or dedication. So dear students, now there is a question for you. How many festivals do the Muslims of the world have? Yes students, there are two festivals. The one is Eid al-Fitr and the second is Eid al-Adha. When the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached Medina Munawwara after leaving Makkah Mukarramah, people told him that they used to celebrate two festivals every year. The Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked them, "Should I give you better festivals to celebrate every year?" People answered in affirmative. They said yes. He bade them to celebrate Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. He told them to celebrate Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Adha is celebrated on 10th Zilhijjah, the last Islamic month. We celebrate Eid al-Adha in the memory of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Allah Almighty told Hazrat Ibrahim in a dream to sacrifice his son Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. He became ready for that, but Allah Almighty sent a ram, a sheep-like animal. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam sacrificed the ram in place of Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Dear students, once again there is a question for you. Why do the Muslims celebrate Eid al-Adha? Why do the Muslims celebrate Eid al-Adha? Very simple question, very simple answer. The Muslims celebrate Eid al-Adha in the memory of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Eid al-Adha is a religious festival. Muslims always celebrate Eid al-Adha with great religious devotion and enthusiasm. The Muslims celebrate Eid al-Adha with great religious devotion, with great religious spirit and enthusiasm, dedication, excitement. On this day, Muslims wear new clothes and go to offer Eid namaz. After Eid namaz, people greet each other. They embrace one another. It is a part of the social and cultural traditions. एक दूसरे से गले मिलते हैं और ईद की मुबारकबाद देते हैं. Millions of goats, sheep, lamb, cows and camels are sacrificed after the Eid namaz for the sake of Allah Almighty. The मुसलमान ईद की नमाज पढ़कर बकरियां, गाय, दुम्बे, बैल और ऊँट ज़िबा करते हैं. 7 people can jointly sacrifice a cow. There are 7 shares in a cow or camel. Those who have have arranged an animal for sacrifice search for a butcher. बकरा ईद वाले दिन सब लोग कसाई की तलाश में रहते हैं. The meat is divided into 3 equal parts, one for home, one for needy people, and one for relatives and neighbors. Later on, the meat is distributed among the neighbors and needy people. कुर्बानी के बाद कुर्बानी का गोश्त 3 हिस्सों में तकसीम करके एक खुद रख लिया जाता है, दूसरा रिश्तेदारों में और तीसरा नीडी पीपल, वो लोग जो बहुत ही गरीब होते हैं उनमें तकसीम कर दिया जाता है. People go to meet their relatives and give them the meat of their sacrificial animal. लोग अपने कुर्बानी के जानवर का गोश्त बांटने के लिए अपने रिश्तेदारों और मुलाकात वालों के यहाँ जाते हैं. Dear students, this is the homework. Read the text 5 times. Memorize the keywords or spellings with their meanings. Okay students, we will meet inshallah tomorrow with next lesson. Assalamu alaikum.